The Trump Effect: How America's Second Chance Could Make You Rich. Betting against America is a mistake you can't afford to make. America just made a massive statement, and the markets responded with vengeance. Donald Trump's re-election marks a monumental shift poised to reshape the nation's future. Forget the talking heads who claim the country is doomed. They're not looking at the hard facts that spell out a comeback story for the ages. I know what you're thinking. How could anyone believe in America's rise amidst chaos, division, and global uncertainty? In 2021, Mayor Katusa spelled it out in his book, The Rise of America. It's easy to be cynical, but here's what most people are missing.
Want to know how companies secretly profit from $100 smart TVs? They make money off your attention and data. With over 700 million households owning a smart TV, early investors have cashed out billions. Don't miss the next big thing with Mode Mobile, a company tackling $1 trillion market opportunity, turning smartphones into earned phones for 7 billion people. Our customers already earned and saved $150 million. Visit invest.modemobile.com to learn more.
Chaos breeds opportunity. You can't have meaningful change without a bit of chaos. Trump thrives on that chaos. Critics say he's dangerous, unpredictable, reckless even. But that unpredictability? It's exactly why America is on the verge of another historic rise. Under Trump, America leans hard into energy independence. Trump backs the kind of deregulation that cuts through bureaucratic red tape faster than anyone in DC wants to admit. You can't overlook the jobs that come from oil and gas, and you can bet that a second Trump term means serious muscle behind domestic energy. This administration isn't waiting for permission from foreign allies or appeasing international bureaucrats. America is putting itself first, and if you think that's bad news for the rest of the world, think again. The world needs a strong America. If the US falters, global markets tremble. When America wins, everybody else benefits. The dollar's surprising strength. Despite dire predictions, the US dollar remains the world's reserve currency, and it's not going anywhere. In fact, as of 2024, the US dollar still accounts for approximately 58% of global currency reserves, according to the IMF. Fiat this, money printing that. Experts have spent years warning about the dollar's collapse, yet here we are. The truth? A Trump presidency means confidence in the dollar. Trump has already started making significant nominations and appointments that will move America First agenda forward. Investors know that Trump won't let the Fed bow to international pressure. His policies may seem radical, but remember, currencies are always relative. Trump's bold moves are set to strengthen the US dollar against global competitors, solidifying its dominance. Look at the alternative. Compare America to China, a nation facing demographic and economic crises, or Europe, where bureaucratic overreach smothers innovation. Despite its challenges, the US remains the world's most adaptable, resilient, and future-proof economy. With red tape slashed, America's capitalistic spirit will drive innovation across technology, industry, education, and defense. That's why Trump's election isn't just a political move, it's a catalyst for a stronger, more dominant dollar, one that retains its status as the backbone of international finance. Big moves in manufacturing. Remember how they said American manufacturing was dead? During Trump's first term, factories saw a revival. His policies incentivized companies to bring jobs back home. Sure, it wasn't perfect, but no one can deny that he reignited a manufacturing mindset in America. During Trump's first term, America added over 450,000 manufacturing jobs, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Now, he's back, and this time, he's doubling down. Expect new incentives for domestic production, more tax breaks, and a massive focus on made in the USA. Forget cheap imports. Trump's America means high-tech manufacturing centers that create quality jobs. America becomes a place where innovation meets execution. And don't forget, tariffs aren't just taxes, they're bargaining chips. When Trump plays hardball with foreign competitors, he's doing so to secure better deals for American workers. That's not just strategy, it's leverage. Love him or hate him, Trump isn't afraid of bold ideas. While Biden focused heavily on renewables, Trump's return brings a hybrid model. He knows oil and gas aren't disappearing overnight, and neither are renewables. Under his administration, you'll see a nuanced energy policy, one that uses America's natural resources while investing in cutting-edge technology. Yes, that means more drilling, but it also means using that energy wealth to invest in emerging sectors. Think infrastructure upgrades, advanced nuclear technology, and maybe even a space energy race that makes today's innovations look like child's play. UAPs? Watch how fast the technology gets incorporated into the American arsenal. America isn't just keeping the lights on under Trump's leadership, it's paving the way for energy dominance. It's the return of confidence. Think back to the markets during Trump's first term. They surged. Investors had confidence. The administration understood that markets thrive on certainty and tax incentives that boost innovation. Expect that again. Markets like predictability in policy, and with Trump, you know what you're getting. It might be controversial, but it's a known playbook. For small businesses, this means less paperwork and more opportunities. For large corporations, it's about tax structures that reward risk-taking. Everyone benefits when the barriers to entry are lower, and Trump knows how to lower them. Never ever bet against America. So what does this mean for you? The re-election of Trump is a wake-up call. If you've been betting against America, it's time to reconsider. There's more at play than the culture wars and divisive rhetoric. Beneath the noise lies an economic strategy laser-focused on American growth. Sure, challenges remain: debt, income inequality, a divided nation. These aren't small issues, but America's always been the land of reinvention. And right now, we're on the cusp of the next great reinvention. So ask yourself, are you prepared? Because this isn't just a movement in history, it's a once-in-a-lifetime chance to position yourself and your investments. Mayor Katusa at Katusa Research has tailored his portfolio in specific markets to prepare for what's coming the rest of the decade. The opportunity in the country's golden age is right here for the taking, and America is about to rise again. Are you ready to rise with it?
Subscribe to the KRO, which is a Katusa Resource Opportunities, to find out exactly what prices I'm buying at and what price I sell at before the trade occurs. And you get to sell before I do. If you want to give your portfolio an edge, consider becoming a member and giving it a try for yourself.